Hi, my name is Bailey and I'm going to show you how to do the coffee grinder. So first, you are going to get down like this and you're going to bring your leg over here, right when it stops at your hand. You're going to put your hand over. You're going to bring it over to the next place and it hurts. You're going to put your other hand over and then you're going to jump over your leg. So let me show you that fast. That's how you do coffee grinder.